I'm Kyle. I work for Vincent's Heating and Fuel Service. In the last few years, I've grown leaps and bounds with installing ductless mini splits, heat pump inverters, conventional inverters, full service company, full install company. When choosing a heat pump versus a fossil fuel, if you want to do it the correct way, there really is no difference. The old school guys, the old contractors, they size it by looking at the house, You can't do that. For years, we have found that things have oversized with conventional systems. We've got into the software, the manual J, manual S, do the heat load on the house, get that heat load done. That's what's gonna give you the proper number for that home. And that manual J is what tells you where your number has to be. It doesn't matter if it's a heat pump, doesn't matter if it's conventional. It's gonna give you the correct number you need for that house. So you're not undersized, and really it's not good to be oversized either. I've seen some of the savings now. I've asked my customers. Almost 100% of my feedback has been positive. Whether it be comfort, savings. Some of these ductless now have their own Wi-Fi apps, and I've had customers send me their energy reports. And that's good for me to know because I can go to the next customer and say, you're gonna save this. You're gonna be comfortable because of this. So their feedback's really helping my company and help me sell more units. How I deal with it is ask the customer what his needs are. Look at the area that he wants to take care of. Make sure that it's sized correctly. Make sure it's not too small. Make sure it's not too big. We do a lot of high walls. They're the most cost effective. They're the cheapest thing to buy. Not always the easiest thing to put in. It depends on the house. They make high walls, they make floor consoles, they make ceiling cassettes. They make air handler units that go in attics or basements that can be tied into docks. You gotta listen to the customer and see what they want. And I had one that was 2 ceiling cassettes, a floor console, and a high wall. You can mix and match. Unless you want a gas wall-mounted furnace in every single room or a space heater, you can't do that with a conventional system. You're always, with a conventional, it's like one house, one load. Well, with heat pumps, it's one house, multiple loads, because you have multiple rooms, multiple zones. Not to say you have to unlearn from your conventional ways. Definitely, though, unlearn the fact that, oh, that looks like an 80,000 house. Don't do that because you get yourself in trouble. And, if you put it in and the customer pays you and you give them the instant rebate and you don't get approved, then you're going to be out thousands. One recommendation I would make is talk to my reps. Talk to the company that makes them, and they're going to put you in the right place of what you need to do. Don't be afraid to read the manual, too.